What's up YouTube, welcome to another episode of the M135i rebuild. Today we're gonna put everything back to the car and then start doing some prep work. We need to fill up a couple of little things, which is nothing major, that shouldn't take too much time, and hopefully by the end of this video the car gonna be all primed and then ready for the next day to actually send the primer down and start prepping it for the paint job, which means within a couple of days the car gonna be back on the road. Obviously before I put it back on the road it needs an MOT because the car was sitting on the salvage yard for over a year, and it needs a wheel alignment because I changed one of the control arms and I can actually feel it and see it that the steering wheel is just not aligned with the wheels and the left wheel is sitting a bit out, so the toe of the car definitely needs a bit of adjustment, and as I can see maybe the camber needs a bit of adjustment as well, so we need to definitely get that done, and we need to get oil change on it and the oil filter changed on it to make sure that if I put my foot down in the car, nothing's gonna go wrong. So yeah, I just can't wait to get that car done and actually try it, because I read a lot of things about it and everyone was praising those cars, how fun and how quick they are. So I actually can't wait to try out myself, have a nice spin in it, maybe take it on a track day to actually see what that car is capable of, because I never actually drove a car with that much power. So I'm just so excited. I can't wait to get this done. So hopefully you guys want to stay with me on this journey, and let's just crack on and knock everything out today what we can, and yeah, just guys, just stay tuned. So we finished repairing the little dents that was here on the door. We filled them up and then we prepped it to spray the primer on it, and we masked down the car as well. There was the paint was peeling on the rear bumper, and the front bumper needed a little bit of repair here and a little bit here, and then it was full with stone chips, so there was a lot of work to do on this bumper, but hopefully it's gonna be alright. So let's mix up the primer. Okay, so this is the next day. The primer already dried. I already started working on it. I done a little bit more alignment. I was trying to make the gaps look a bit better. The gap is still a bit too big here. I believe that's gonna be the bonnet, so we're gonna have to move the bonnet, because as you see, that's the gap here is bigger than up here, and on the other side is the other way around. The gap is too small here and it gets bigger here, so I believe we're just gonna need to move the bonnet in that direction. But yeah, I already started sanding it down. If I manage to finish it today, I'm just gonna go over it with 500 grit, and then I'm gonna go over it with 800 grit, and this bit gonna be with 2000 grit, because we're only gonna spray paint up till here, and from here we're just gonna spray clear coat. In that case, the color is gonna be blended in. The same with the rear bumper. The paint gonna come all the way here, and from here down only here. And obviously the front bumper was a bit naked. It needed loads of repair, so I sprayed the whole bumper in primer. So I hope I'm gonna manage to finish it today, and then hopefully tomorrow we're gonna actually spray the car. Okay guys, the front bumper is done as well. It took me a really long time because I had only one bit of 800 grit paper left, and that was naked already from sanding the bonnet and the rear bumper, but I had to use it because I haven't had any other one, and it has to be done today because the car is supposed to get sprayed tomorrow. But I managed to do it, and now probably I'm just gonna put it back to the car, move the car back to the parking. Let's have a look at it. Already looks 10 times better. I literally can't wait to see it done.
Gotta be fucking kidding.
The nice dual exhaust that makes that lovely noise. They're gonna do the polish. Probably the whole car gonna get polished. So we're gonna make it pop. Yeah, probably I'm gonna call it a day for now, and hopefully in the next episode you guys gonna see this car getting sprayed. That car, sorry. Yeah, thanks for watching. See you next video.